Hi everyone, welcome. I am Lena Hansen, and today we're gonna do a beginner-friendly face yoga routine that's gonna lift and tone your face. What I really love about face yoga is that it's accumulative. It strengthens and tones the muscles on our face, and so as opposed to going to get treatments done or procedures done where you have to go every 2-3 months, this is actually accumulative, and doing these face yoga poses a few times a week is going to make a difference in how your skin is going to look, how blood circulation is going to flow, and how you are getting that beautiful, healthy glow. So let's get started. So we are going to start by applying a little bit of face oil. You can use your favorite face oil. We just want to put a little bit on to help with the glide and take some time to inhale the beautiful aroma and really reset your nervous system. And we're going to start by applying our face oil lightly all around our face and our neck area. Really taking some time to connect with our face. So what we're going to do first is you want to take your index fingers and you want to place them on the outer edge of your eyebrows here, and you want to open up your eyes wide. So you're going to hold here, open up your eyes as wide as you can, and place your index fingers here on the outer edge of the eyebrow. And go back to normal and do this again. Place your index fingers on the outer edge right by your temples. Open up your eyes wide and keep here for 10 seconds. This is really wonderful for engaging the procerus muscle here. So if you feel like you are getting some tension and wrinkles here on the forehead doing this exercise, you want to start by placing your fingers, moving the index fingers all the way out from the middle all the way out towards the temples. And this is a great exercise for really making sure that you're moving and working the eye muscles as opposed to your forehead muscles. So next I apply a little bit of more face oil here just to make sure I'm not dragging the skin. So when you're working with the under eye area here, it's really important to be gentle. So I'm taking my index finger here and moving them all from the inner corner of the eye all the way out towards the temples. And this is really wonderful for increasing blood circulation and reducing puffiness underneath the eyes and also dark circles. I'm going to go here for about 10 times. Beautiful. Next, we're going to do an exercise. You're going to make an O shape with your mouth, tucking your teeth, tucking your lips over your teeth, and go into a smiley face. So you're going to go from an O shape to a smile and go back and forth this way. And you're going to feel here that your muscle on your cheek area here is going to strengthen. So you're really working on the cheek muscles here. This is really wonderful for strengthening and toning the cheek muscles. And because when these cheek muscles sag, that's when we start getting these nasolabial folds and smile lines. So by really working on this area, you're going to lift your face. We're going to go here for about 15 to 20 times if you can. Beautiful. Next, we're going to do a little bit of a jaw toner here. So you want to take your index finger, middle finger, and thumb and gently start pinching and releasing all the way from your jaw all the way out to the ears. And you want to pinch and release here. Gently pinch and release, and this also reduces any tension. It defines and sculpts the jaw and really helps to tone the entire lower face. Next, what I like to do, and I like to start tapping my face. This is one of my favorite exercises to increase blood circulation. So you want to start just gently tapping the face and neck, moving all the way up from the forehead area, all the way down to your cheeks, your jaw, and your neck and chest area. Take a nice deep breath and just start gently tapping all around the area here where you feel a little bit of tension. Next, we're going to start tapping all on the chest area here. And take a nice, beautiful, deep breath. This is really great for any stress and anxiety. It's really going to calm your nervous system. Beautiful. Next, we're going to take our index finger, place the index finger on the third eye here. This is a wonderful acupressure point to relieve any headaches or tension or stress, especially in the forehead area here where we tend to hold so much stress. So you want to hold here for 20 seconds. Close your eyes if you want. Take a nice deep breath. Just hold here, and then you're going to gently start moving in one direction. Take your time. Beautiful. Then we're going to go to the other side. Start moving in that other direction. Close your eyes, take a nice deep breath again. Beautiful. So much of aging that happens on our face is related to stress and tension. So taking some time to calm and relieve stress, we can move and get more energy in our face, which reduces lines and wrinkles. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in next video. Have a great day.